Welcome, here I've got OPPO A15 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner. When we tap to this button, we get access to 3 other we can manage. Now let's move to the right settings, so we can open some advanced camera options, and here at the third position we can see the shutter sound. So by using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. Let's move back to the camera, and when I take another picture we can't hear the sound. Of course we can turn it on again by going to the right corner, then right settings, and using the button with shutter sound, so for now we can hear it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.